CarmenGets here. Look where I am. Yes, I'm here at a digger's site trying to get my excavation license. I thought it'd be a great idea. I could be an essential service then and get a permit to leave the state. What do you think of that? But no one's here. It's all a bit sad, really. I better put my mask on in case someone comes. But I guess it's lockdown. No one's working, I guess. Oh, yes. It's very silent. You can hear the sound of the breeze. Yes, like the sounds of silence, isn't it? Oh, listen to that silence. Isn't it lovely? I feel a song coming on. Can you hear it? Hello, lockdown, my old friend. It seems we're coming to an end because of COVID softly creeping into my head while I was sleeping. And the science of the virus fills my brain. Is it a pain? Within the silence of lockdown, through restless dreams I wake alone, zooming my friends across the phone. I greet each day to the COVID stats, remind myself that the present is where it's at. But the silence of those Melbourne tram trucks fill my days. It's all a haze in the silence of lockdown. In the evening news I saw, lock me down, Daniel Andrews, 10,000 people, maybe more. People not breathing, only ventilating. I ask myself, what is all this taking? It's taking our freedoms, but it's our values that we must embrace with perfect grace. In the silence of lockdown. Lockdown! It's lockdown! Must be a ghost in a machine! Lockdown! We all have to die! Look, yes! Lockdown! This was the silence of lockdown. Lockdown. Lockdown.